Subject pronouns, Spanish 1. Today we're going to learn about subject pronouns in Spanish. We have already gone over them and you guys were able to practice subject pronouns in English. So now let's learn a little bit about them in Spanish. So subject pronoun. A subject pronoun replaces a noun that is doing the action of a verb. So to look at our example on our worksheet, we can see it says Miss Berlin teaches at Lake City High School. So if we wanted to replace our subject Miss Berlin with a subject pronoun, we would replace it with she. So it would be she teaches at Lake City High School. So she is our subject pronoun. Our other subject pronouns in English are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. So now we're going to look at our chart. So in your notes, your chart looks exactly like this. You guys need to fill in the Spanish subject pronoun. So our first person singular, how we say I in Spanish is yo. Our second person singular, or saying you informal, is tú. Then we have our third person singular. So for he, it is él. For she, it is ella. And for you formal, it is usted. Now we're going to go over to the plural part of our chart. So if we wanted to say we, and we were talking about two males, or maybe a male and a female, so a mixed group, we would say nosotros. If we wanted to say we, talking about an all-female group, we are going to say nosotras. If we wanted to say you all, so there are two different ways to say it. So in Spain, they say vosotros or vosotras. Again, this is only used in Spain. We also have they, so a group of males or a group of males and females is ellos. They, as in all females, is ellas. And you all is ustedes. So this subject pronoun chart is important. You need to memorize it in this exact order. So not only do you need to know your subject pronouns, you have to memorize the chart as well. So now we're going to talk about the word you in Spanish. We have talked about this earlier in the year versus formal and informal. So tú is how we say you informally. So if we are talking to someone younger than us or a pet. Usted, which is abbreviated capital U-D period, is our formal way to say you. So we're going to use this when we are talking to somebody we don't know, someone who is older than us, or someone who is in higher authority out of a sign of respect. Ustedes we use to say you all or y'all. The abbreviation is capital U-D-S period. So just so you know, vosotros is the same as ustedes, but this one is only used in Spain. Our last thing we have here is to talk about groups of people. So remember, in Spanish, if we have 100 females and 1 male, the minute 1 male enters the group, you are always going to use the masculine form. So again, it does not matter how many women are there. Once there is 1 male present, we will always use the masculine form, like ellos and nosotros. Also, if you see something that has y yo, you are going to use the nosotros form. So for example, Maria y yo means Maria and I. So we, which would be nosotros.